Hello everyone, welcome back to Hiru Handmade Crochet. In today's tutorial, I'm excited to show you how to crochet a textured granny square pattern. This design adds depth and texture, making it perfect for blankets, pillows or any other creative projects. Let's get started. We will start with a magic ring, so wrap the yarn around your finger 2 times. And then I'm going to insert the hook into the ring. Yarn over, pull through. Now we have a loop on our hook. Yarn over and pull through the loop. Now we are ready with our magic ring. In the first round, we are going to chain 5, yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the first chain. Again, yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the second chain. Like that we will continue 3, 4 and 5. And then work 3 double crochets into the magic ring. Yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. This is a double crochet. Again, work the second double crochet into the magic ring. And this is going to be the third double crochet. Alright, and then chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Now we will work another 3 double crochets inside the magic ring. 1, 2 and 3. Again, chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and work 3 more double crochets inside the magic ring. 1, 2 and 3. Now I feel like the magic ring is too big, so that we can just pull this tail a little to make the magic ring smaller like this, and then continue the work. Chain 3, 1, 2 and 3 and work 2 double crochets into the magic ring. 1 and 2. And then we will pull this tail tight to close the magic ring like this, and then work a slip stitch into the third chain from the starting point. 1, 2, 3. This is the third chain. So insert the hook into the third chain. Yarn over, pull through the chain and pull through the loop. Now I'm going to leave a little tail and cut the yarn off, because we are going to start the second round with a different color. Now we will use the yarn needle to hide the tail first, so that it will be easier for us to work on the second round. Just hide both the tails and you can just cut the excess piece of yarn like this. With that we have completed the first round, and then we will start with round 2. I'm going to use this green color to start round 2. So we will insert the hook into any one of these chain 3 spaces and pull the new color yarn through the space like this, and then chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Then work 1 double crochet inside the same chain 3 space by working over this tail, so that you don't have to worry about hiding it at the end. Now we are going to go into the first double crochet here and work a front post double crochet. So yarn over, insert the hook into the first post from the front like this, and then yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. This is a front post double crochet. Again work a back post double crochet into the next post here. So we are going to insert the hook into the stitch at the back like this. This is a back post double crochet. Again work a front post double crochet into the next stitch here, go into the post from the front and work the double crochet. This is what we have completed, and then we will create the corner of the granny square here. There we need to work 2 double crochets, chain 3 and 2 double crochets, 1 and 2 double crochets, again chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and another 2 double crochets inside the same chain 3 space, 1 and 2. Now we have created the corner, and then again go into the first double crochet and create a front post double crochet, and go into the next stitch from the back and create a back post double crochet, and go into the stitch from the front and create another front post double crochet. Again create the next corner. There we need to work 2 double crochets, chain 3 and 2 double crochets. Now we need to just repeat the pattern. Work a front post double crochet, again a back post double crochet, again a front post double crochet, and then create the corner. There we need to work 2 double crochets, chain 3 and another 2 double crochets inside the same chain 3 space. Again a front post double crochet, a back post double crochet and a front post double crochet. Now we reach the starting point. There we need to work 2 more double crochets inside the same chain 3 space, 1 and 2, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and work a slip stitch into the third chain from the starting point. This is the third chain, so insert the hook, yarn over and pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. Now leave a little tail for sewing. You can cut the yarn off, and then use the yarn needle to hide both the tails. With that we have completed the second round as well. This is what it looks like. And then we will start with round 3. I'm going to join the white yarn back again. So insert the hook into any one of the chain 3 spaces and then just pull the new yarn through the space and chain 3. 1, 2 and 3. Now we will work a double crochet over this tail into the same chain 3 space, and then work a front post double crochet into the very first double crochet here, and then work a back post double crochet into the next stitch, and again a front post double crochet into the front post double crochet of the previous round, and then a back post double crochet into the back post double crochet of the previous round. Like that we will just continue. Work a front post double crochet and a back post double crochet into the next stitch, and a front post double crochet into the last stitch here. And we reach the first corner. There we need to work 2 double crochets, chain 3 and 2 double crochets. Now we just have to repeat the same pattern until the end of the round. Just complete the round and meet me back there at the end. This is the end of the round. Now we reach the starting point of the round. There we need to work 2 double crochets into the same chain 3 space, 1 and 2, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and then work a slip stitch into the third chain from the starting point. Now we have completed the third round as well. Leave a little tail and you can cut the yarn off. After that, use the yarn needle to hide the tails as well. Now we will start with round 4. There I am going to change the color back again to the green yarn. So we will insert the hook into any one of the chain 3 spaces and chain 3 and work a double crochet inside the same chain 3 space. Now we need to just repeat the sequence. Work a front post double crochet and a back post double crochet, again a front post and a back post. Like that we will continue. Here we need to work a front post double crochet and then a back post double crochet, again a front post double crochet and a back post double crochet. Like that we will just continue. Now we reach the next corner here. There we need to work 2 double crochets, chain 3 and 2 double crochets. Just like that we are going to repeat the pattern until the end of the round. This is the end of the round and we reached the first corner. There we need to work 2 more double crochets inside the same chain 3 space, 1 and 2, then chain 3 and work a slip stitch on top of the third chain from the starting point of the round. Now leave a little tail and you can cut the yarn off. After that you can use the yarn needle to hide all the tails. There you have it. Thank you for crocheting with me today. I hope you enjoyed making this textured granny square. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future tutorials. Have fun with your crochet projects and I'll see you in the next video.